Hey everyone out in the YouTube world, it's Craig from Flying Wheels. Today, it's spring, finally, spring. The sun is out, it's still freaking cold as hell though. I'm looking for some toys. Probably not the best place to be looking for toys at the auction because I'm among thousands of other car dealers trying to do the same thing. So I'm sure prices are gonna be through the roof. However, maybe I'll get lucky, maybe I'll find something neat. There are 3 Dodge Challengers here today. I wanna buy one of the 3. Probably the wrong time to be buying these things. April, beginning of April, buying toys at auction is probably unrealistic for me. I should have bought these during the winter, gotten some deals on them. So anyway, there are 3 Challengers running through today. Here they are, right behind me. 1, 2, and 1 in another lane. Pretty cool cars. I know I'll be able to sell them as long as the price is right here. I'm expecting them not to be, but we'll see. Let's get started. So there we go, is the Scat Pack 2015. Hey, look who showed up. Papa Al's here. 2015 Scat Pack with 15,000 miles. Behind that is a 2013 with 22,000 miles. And the third one in another lane is a lot higher miles and in rough condition, so I'm hoping that one's a lot less money. We have here a one-owner 2015 Scat Pack Challenger going through the auction today. Automatic. Womp womp. So I have a dilemma. Behind me is a 13 Challenger running through. Behind me is a 15 Challenger running through. Behind that is a 13 Challenger running through, all at the same time. I'm not going to go catch them all at once. First is a 2013 Hemi RT 61K, little beat up. 2 owners, 1 accident. Some bumps and bruises on the bottom.
60,000 miles. Anybody else? 32 bucks, another one, going to do it at 31.2. Let's try this one.
I do like that it's a standard transmission.
Number 36, number 30. How much? Give me number 16 grand, 16 pounds, number 16. I got 15 5, 15 6. Get it out.
Already too much. I wanted to be at 13 for it. He's kind of beat up. All right, over to the Scat Pack. Let's see what that's at. 16.5 for that one. That's pretty beat up. But it's spring. People are paying all the money.
C33. C33.
Who's the winner of the day? Scat Pack, 15,000 miles, 1 owner, no accidents. Absolutely perfect car.
Said you're going to have another key possibly. Okay, we're going to say title apps, and you should have it today or tomorrow. And better than it can be right now. And better than it can be 34,000. 34 more, better than I got, thank you. 33, 32.
Whoa, 33. I was going to be at 26,000. Jeez.
1, roll it right out. 30,000, 2, 3, 30,000, 4, had it now 5, had it been now 6, 7, 30,000, 8, had it been now 30,000, 9, had it been now 31 grand, 31 1, 31 2, 31 3, 31 4.
31 3, and the number's still climbing. There's that Mustang too. It's a 6-cylinder. It's sold for, I couldn't tell. All right, the Scat Pack sold for 32.1. Here's a base model RT automatic with 22,000 miles, 13.
Number C34, 20,000 miles. Green light. Premium Plus.
Premium Plus. Oh, does it have leather? Oh, it does have leather. It does have chrome wheels, so it's a plus, not a base RT.
You tell me if it could be 20,000. Money credit it could be. Any credit it could be 20,000.
Oh, it is 22,000 miles. My number's way off on that car.
Money credit it could be 20 credit it got 19 to 18. It's all on you fellas here. Not no internet city. Any credit it could be 17, 1. Roll it out. 17, 1.
Real money at 17,000. And beginning to climb.
75, might have been now 6, might have been now 7, might have been now 8, might have been now
18.2 right now. See you later, Charger. 18.9. There it goes. I was wrong. The bidding kept climbing on that last Charger. Sold for $22,200. That was not at the auction today.